Hey guys, welcome back to Noise Fast RC. Got a short unboxing to share with you, or unpackaging. I got this for my radio. So basically, it's a wheel for the remote control. I found this and I thought it was a little interesting. To get one for my favorite radios. I never had one of these before, so I was actually curious to see if it's actually pretty good or not. So I'm hoping, according to this, it's for the Traxxas radios, but I also want to see if it'll fit my Fly Sky radio. Not sure if it will, but I want to try and see if it does fit. It's one of those aluminum wheels with a rubber grip. It's aluminum, really nice looking one. These are from Injora. Comes with a couple of stickers, but it looks pretty cool. I was just curious to see if it would fit my my Fly Sky radio. It might not fit. Maybe the setting or the setup is different. But if it does fit, then I'll probably just get another one. See that? Pretty cool. Fits perfect. So let's see if it fits this other radio, my Fly Sky radio. Like I said, it doesn't, it's not made for that one, but I figured it's worth a try. See if it's going to fit or not. To be honest with you, I'm not sure what kind of setup is behind this wheel. Yeah, it's not going to fit. This is a half moon, or if you can see that design. This just has that kind of design. Man, that sucks. I really wanted this to fit on my Fly Sky. I guess I'll look for another one for the Fly Sky, obviously. That's alright. No big deal. So I'm going to use this wheel on my X-Max transmitter. So let's try that. cool. Sweet. So great, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. Give it a little different look. And I'll just save the original wheel. You know, in case I ever, I don't know, in case I ever lose it, get tired of it, I don't know, whatever, right? I just change it up again. I want to. Anyhow, guys, that's what I'm going to share with you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.